Session of the Angelina County Commissioners Court. It's Tuesday, June the 10th. This meeting was posted in accordance with the Texas Open Meetings Act 551.041. I'd like to call this meeting in order. Welcome everyone for being here today. I did inadvertently leave off public forum. Now I do have one person that would like to speak. David Stua on item 2. David, you have 3 minutes.
Give me a moment here to start there, Your Honor. I'm setting my timer over here so I can watch the time, okay?
You don't trust Amy?
How y'all doing today? I'm here to speak for accepting the resignation of Judge Billy Ball, who's been a Precinct 1 Justice of the Peace for a long amount of time. One of the reasons why I'm for it, and probably the biggest and strongest reason, is Judge Ball has been a corrupt person who's used his personality
now, David,
to
hold on. We're not gonna
that's my opinion. I have an
We're
opinion.
not going to make unsubstantiated allegations against people.
You're going to have to speak up. I can't hear you.
I'm talking as loud as I can without yelling.
You got a microphone, reach to the microphone.
It's right here.
It moves up.
It's fine.
It's not fixed.
What do you mean it's not fixed?
Well, I looked over at them a while ago, and they look like they're mobile. They're attached to a wire
No,
over there.
they don't move. Well, they did a little bit.
Well, maybe you can get that
Maybe
fixed.
you can hear me now. Can you hear me?
Now I can hear you.
Can you hear me, David?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so we're not going to have unsubstantiated allegations against a long-term public official that's been here for many years. And if you want to say something, just don't call him corrupt. Don't call him whatever you think you know. A lot of people don't agree with that, okay? So
That's why we have something called public opinion.
This meeting is not for that purpose, all right?
We're here to discuss accepting the resignation, and you've
Yeah.
blown over 1 minute of my time,
Now,
actually more than
I'm
that.
going to give you your time back. If you'd restart your timer.
Is that going to be visible where I can see that, please, ma'am? All right, now I can see it. All right, anyway, Judge Ball wrote a warrant for my arrest, which didn't have any elements of the crime. He accepted that from Doug Kahn, who is now the sex registration guy down there in St. Augustine County. He knew it wasn't an offense that I did. He did it to retaliate against me for sending open records requests to him. The affidavit submitted to him I have sent to y'all. And as you can see, this is a half a page of a statement of affidavit. I can guarantee you every affidavit that's ever been submitted related to a crime has a lot more than a half a page here. It doesn't state the elements of a crime, but he went ahead and wrote a warrant for my arrest, even though there wasn't any violation that I committed. He knew I didn't. He did it for retaliation. Not only that, he set bond conditions on me that were unconstitutional. One, as I couldn't use the internet. The internet is the biggest public forum at all. They've done ruled that in a case called Reno versus, I can't remember the last name of it. So you can't eliminate people's access to the internet. You can't eliminate them from taking photographs of people. And hold on, you stupid sucker. Anyway, for anybody that for a second believed that I solicited a kid to want to see my genitals, do you think I would do that on a Facebook Live video? The sheriff, not this sheriff, was one of the ones on my Facebook friends. Anytime you start a live video, they automatically know that you're doing a video, and they can click in to see it. So if you go and read Kahn's affidavit about what I actually said, which is on page 2, you got that I just sent all that to you. He doesn't say anything about me asking anybody to see my genitals. In fact, as old as I am, I don't want nobody to see them anymore. You know what happens when you get old. But anyway, so I also sent y'all a witness statement from the boy. This is, I think, 2 witness statements was written by the boy. They used one that was most advantageous to him. Actually, the other one said things that weren't actually true, but I know I read it. So I seen this document. Here I got this document from the district attorney, and I seen another document in discovery when I was first arrested for all these charges. Judges that go around violating the law is not people we should have. people that the judges that don't answer open records requests are not judges we shouldn't have, because there's laws to follow. The laws is not just for me to follow and the public out there, it's for every one of y'all and everybody in government. Whenever y'all or anybody else break the law, you destroy the structure and fabric of the
David,
government.
time's up. Thank you.
Thank you very much for speaking in public forum today. I want all of y'all to have a blessed day and be careful on your way home if it's still storming out there.
Item 2, consider and discuss the acceptance of the resignation and retirement of Judge Billy Ball, Justice of the Peace, Precinct 1, and consider the appointment of Wes Suter to fill the remainder of Judge Ball's term. I would like to take a moment to read the letter of resignation and retirement from Judge Ball. Dear Judge Wright, it is with deep regret that I submit my resignation as Justice of the Peace for Precinct 1, effective June 22nd, 2025. Due to unforeseen health challenges, I must step away earlier than anticipated and before my term's official conclusion. Serving the people of Angelina County since January of 2003 has been the greatest honor of my professional life. For over 23 years, I have been dedicated to upholding the principles of justice with integrity, fairness, and compassion. This role has allowed me to be the privilege of working alongside devoted colleagues and serving a community that means so much to me. I am profoundly grateful to the voters of Angelina County who entrusted me with this position over the years. The confidence in my ability to serve has been the foundation of my work, and I have strived to honor that trust in every decision made. Additionally, I extend my deepest appreciation to my office staff who have been the backbone of our work. Their dedication, professionalism, and commitment have been invaluable in ensuring the smooth operation of the office and in delivering the highest standard of service to the citizens of our county. Without their tireless support, none of our successes would have been possible. Although I step away with reluctance, I take great comfort in knowing that this office will continue to serve the people of Angelina County with excellence. I offer my assistance in ensuring a seamless transition and hope to remain engaged with the community in whatever way I can. With heartfelt gratitude and respect, Billy S. Ball, Justice of the Peace, Precinct Number 1, Angelina County, Texas. I'd like to personally thank Judge Ball for all of his service to our county. I hate to see that he is ill. I pray that he will become well and be able to get his vigor back. So with that, I'd ask the court to accept Judge Ball's resignation and retirement and consider the appointment of Wes Suter to fill the remainder of Judge Ball's term.
I'll make a motion.
Go ahead.
I got a motion from Commissioner Thigpen.
Second.
I have a second from Commissioner Berry. Any other questions? Any other discussion? All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All opposed? Motion passes. I make a motion to adjourn.
Second.
All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
All opposed? Motion passes. We are